This is our new universal camper package. Josh is going to lower it down. Sets up in about 30 seconds. Well, maybe a little longer, 40 seconds or so. Basically, as it goes down, you just fold in your sides. Stop it at any height. And you take out your tension rod. So he's going to check it. Make sure it's all tucked in. Nice and neat. Pull out his tension rod. Basically like a tent pole. Just folds that up. Make sure it's all tucked in. Goes inside. And there's your instant portable 2-man tent right in your back of your truck in basically under a minute. Pull up a little bit on the tailgate. Just make sure everything's tucked in so he's not catching it. Pull a little bit up on the window. And that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. TopperEZLift.